Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we have the honor to introduce you to Group 1, which consists of 4 diligent and enthusiastic members. I am Intan, then Rofik, Lisma, and Dennis. We are excited to explore the important concept of factor of production, highlighting the critical element that drive economic process. And then our presentation will provide a comprehensive understanding of the meaning of production factors, production theory, objective, types, and example of production factors. So without further ado, let's start exploring the factor of production and their important role in the world of economic. First, the factor of production are the element or resource used in the production process to create goods and service. There are four primary factors of production. First, there's a labor. This, this encompasses all individuals involved in the production process, but both physically and mentally. Labor includes the skill, knowledge, and creativity required to make products or provide service. Second, there is capital. Capital comprises all physical and financial assets used in production. This includes machinery, building, equipment, and money used to finance business operation. Capital also helps enhance production efficiency. Third, there is land or natural resource. Land includes all natural resource used in production such as agricultural land and minerals, water, and other natural resources. The sustainable management and utilization of this resource are vital for environmental sustainability. And last, there is entrepreneurship. The entrepreneurship factors involves innovation, risk-taking, and the ability to organize other factor of production. Entrepreneurs also take the initiative to start and manage business to create added value. These factors work together in the production process to generate goods and services needed in the economy. Efficient management of this production factor is crucial for economic growth and social sustainability.
Factor of production is a term in a series of production process of a service product. Factor of production are also often associated with resource. In modern economic theory, as according to Adam Smith, the factor of production is composed of four components, namely labor, land, air, natural resource, and capital. Sudamer in 2001 stated the production theory is a theory that studies how to combine various input at a certain technological level to produce a certain amount of output. The goal of production theory is to determine an efficient level of production with available resource. Budiano in 2002 and Aziz in 2003 state that the production period is divided into two, namely short-term and long-term production activities. Short-term, that is, the period of time when variable input can be adjusted, but its input remain unadjusted, while long-term production activities are a time when all input, both variable inputs and fixed input can be changed. Thank you.
Purpose of factor production, primary purpose and economic context involving the production of goods or service. The main purpose of production factor in environmental law: 1. Production good and service. The most basic goal of production factor is to create goods and service that can meet people needs and assurance. Production factor such as labor, capital, and natural resource are used together in the production process to produce various products that the society needs. 2. Increasing productive factor, and the interesting productivity. This means trying to produce more good service using the sum of fewer quantities of product factor. 3. Optimizing the as of research, one of the important goals of production factor is to optimize the as of available research. This included ensuring that both labor and capital are used essentially and sustainably. 4. Creating jobs. Production factor, especially labor, play a role in creating jobs for the workforce. This helps production poverty level and increases people income. 5. Generate profits in the context of a company or business venture. The purpose of production factor in the generated profit. Production factor such a capital are used to produce goods and services that can be sold and higher price the cost production to be creating a profit. And 6. Support economic growth. Production factor contribute to the economic growth of the country or region by production more goods and services. Economic growth can be interested, we can bring economic benefit to society.
Production factor consists of various different types. In this case, I will explain several types of production factor and also example of each. The first is natural resource. Natural resources are often referred to as natural production factor, which consists of raw materials used in production activities themselves. These various raw materials will usually be produced into various goods and services, where these various products will be distributed to consumers to meet their needs for certain products. Examples of natural resource production factors are animals, plants, water, air, and others. The second is human resource. Human resource production factors are also very much needed and are usually referred to as labor. The work used are generally workers who are educated and have good abilities to carry out production activities. This will be proven by the effort they make to fulfill various requests from business people related to production activities themselves. In return, the businessman will provide a number of wages or salaries that are appropriate and in accordance with the performance of the work. A decent wage like this will enable workers to be more optimal in their work and complete its task. The third is capital labor. Capital labor and capital are product factors that are difficult to separate. Business people must have sufficient capital because this capital will be used to procure raw materials and also pay for the labor needed in production activities. If capital in inadequate production activities, raw materials procurement could be hampered. This will course directly hampers production activities, include business activities as a whole. Next, entrepreneurship factors. The success of production activities will be influenced by the businessman's ability to manage his business. Business people must have the spirit and ability to do good entrepreneurship from the start. Include to face various challenges that may arise in the business. Business people must also have good decision-making abilities because the various decisions taken will affect the work and also the people involved in the business activities being carried out. And finally, there are technology resources. A business will grow rapidly if it involves the right technology in it. Business people must have the courage to apply technology in the business they run. This will make many things easier in the business, especially in production activities carried out by business people. That enough the explanation of the production factor from group 1. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back with us again, Group 2. Today we're going to explain you about economic factors. So let's start with the meaning. Economic activity includes three important things. They are production, consumption, and distribution. Production factors are important things in economic activity. These various factors will certainly influence the production activity themselves and also become an important foundation in a business activity. These various production factors generally have a large influence, so they must have always be available. These factors are the building blocks of any economic system and play a pivotal role in the production process.
Next is types of production factors. One is natural resource. Natural resources are fresh raw materials used in production activities like animals, plants, water, air, and others. Two is human resource. The workers used are generally workers who are educated and have good abilities to carry out production activities. And next three is capital. Capital is used to process raw materials and also pay for the labor needed in production activities. And then four, entrepreneurship factors. Understanding production factor is one of the keys to success in business. Apart from that, novice business people must have good abilities to learn and adapt quickly to the condition of the business. And the last five is technological resource. Business people must have the courage to apply technology in the business they run. This will make many things easier in a business, especially in production activities.
Talking about production factor. In the context of a company of business, the purpose of production factor is to create profit. Production factors such as capital are used to produce goods and services that can be sold at price higher than production costs, thereby creating profit. Production factor consists of several types of and have a number of purposes including: first, streamline the production process The production factor owned by the company will help to make production activities smoother. Where all business plans can be executed currently. Two, increase the amount of profit. By having the right amount of production factor, the company is able to achieve production target well and increase profit. 3. Fulfill customer need. Production factor aim to provide the best service for customer in meeting their needs. 4. Maintain production quality. The final goal of production factor is to maintain the quantity of the product production. If these various production factors are met properly, the resulting product will also be of high quality.
And the last about example. For example, car production. That cars vary because not all cars can make user comfortable. Business people must realize this. If you know the target market, for example, if customers spend a lot of money, the quality car raw material must be good. That means the car's customer can get the perfect cars if they spend a lot of money. This presentation from our group. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 3 will explain material regarding production factor. Production activities are activities to produce goods or services that are useful for human needs. The aim of production activities is to meet human needs as well as create jobs and improve community welfare.
There are five factors of production in economic activity. Namely, the first one is labor or human resources. The success factor in production is human resources or HR, because the production process cannot occur without human labor, especially on a raised production scale. But recently, technology has produced many innovation and advances, such as the use of machine for production of goods. Even though this technology reduces the need for companies to recruit many workers, human resources are still needed as machine operators.
2. Natural resources. Business actors need material from natural resources. Benefit from natural resources. It can be produced good needed by society. Such sustainable natural resources can also ensure long-term production continuity and minimize environmental impact.
The third is capital. Capital production factor relate to things that can be used to support the production process. Capital can be in the form of money, equipment, and other. The benefit of capital are increasing production efficiency and time. Effective use of capital can also reduce production costs and increase company profit. The fourth is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a production factor related to a person's ability to identify business opportunities and take risks to start a new business. The benefit of entrepreneurship are creating jobs, accelerating economic growth, and increasing a country's competitiveness.
Number 5 is technology. The benefits of technology are that it can increase production efficiency, improve product quality, and reduce production costs. The use of technology can also enable companies to produce goods and services that are more innovative and relevant to market needs. See you next time, friends and listeners. Thanks again, and feel free to share your ideas and dreams. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. Good afternoon, my friend. I am Ahmad Faiz Muhtar from Group 4. Please allow me to present material about tips and factor of production. Next, production is an economic activity that cannot be measured because it aims to meet needs. This activity is also influenced by production factor which are the foundation of a business. Production is carried out by business actor. Business actor who understand production factor will be able to make their activities run smoothly. Production activities will always be carried out because they are related to human need themselves. If production does not exist, people will definitely not know where to get their need. The output production activities are good and service. This activity continues to be carried out because human needs are endless. Thank you.
Production factors are very keen of need to smooth the production process. Their lack in influence means this factor needs to always be available. Production actor must be able to read this brain when not all these factors are available for operational. Type of production factor. First, natural resources. These resources are also included as natural production factor. When carrying out production, producer will need raw material used to production goods and service.
2. Human resources. Not only nature, producers also need human resources to run their production activities. We can call this factor of production labor. 3. Capital. Labor and capital are inseparable factors.
To be able to run production, you also need capital. This factor is a factor that must exist first. If you don't have it, you won't be able to buy natural resources. Capital needs to be provided in sufficient amount. This means that you need to manage it according to your needs.
Continuing the previous explanation regarding factor of production. Number 4 is the entrepreneurial factor. The success of production activities is also influenced by person's ability to manage his business. Entrepreneurs must have good entrepreneurial skills. Not only do you have to develop a strategy that provides, but you also have to be able to rely on it when production is hit by a storm. Number 5. Technology research. Business actors need to let technology enter their business domain. Meaning, business actors need to learn to operate existing technology for the various convenience it offers. And next, following are the objectives of production factors. Number 1, streamline the production process. Number 2, the company can make a profit. And number 3, meet consumers' need. Okay, that is our explanation regarding production factors. That's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In Islamic economic, production is defined as any activity undertaken to create benefit or enhance it by exploring the economic resource provided by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, ultimately resulting in maslahat, benefit, to fulfill the needs of human. Therefore, production activities should be oriented towards fulfilling the broader needs of society. The production system is an integral framework that encompasses both production principle and production factor. In Islam, production principle means producing what is halal, permissible, which accumulate from all production process, starting from the raw material source of the type of good or service produced. Meanwhile, production factor refer to everything that support its success of production, include natural factor, labor, capital, and management.
Next, Islamic economic is built on the basis of the Islamic religion. Therefore, it is an inseparable or integral part of the Islamic religion. As a derivation from the Islamic religion, Islamic economic will follow the Islamic religion in various aspects. In an economic system, there are elements whose existence is characteristic of the economic system in question. These elements are production, distribution, and consumption. In production, there are four most important factors, namely natural factor, labor, capital, and management. There are several factors in production, namely 1. Natural or land factor. Natural factors are the basic factor in production. The nature referred to here is it the earth and everything in it, both on the surface of the earth and contained within the earth itself. In production, all of these are categories as natural resources that can be utilized for the welfare and prosperity of the mankind.
Then the second is the labor factor. Labor is a utilizing factor of the previous production factor, namely natural factor. Labor is a asset for the success of a company, because the success of a production lies in the performance of the human resource in it. Labor that has good skill and integrity is the main capital for a company. Labor is the best of productivity of all production factor that will not be able to produce any good or service without labor. This labor is needed to carry out the transformation process from material to finished good as desired by the company. The right of work that must be fulfilled by the perpetrator is the fulfillment of the term the agreed work contract or contract, when the things that must be fulfilled is the right of the worker. Number 3 is the capital factor. Capital is a very important in a production. Therefore, without capital, producer cannot produce good or service. Capital is an amount of purchasing power or that can create power that is used for a production process. Without capital, it cannot produce any good or service.
Then the fourth is management factors. Management is the science and art of managing the process of utilizing human resource and other resource effectively and efficiently to achieve a certain goal. Based on management function, management means the process of planning, organizing, directing, and supervising the financial, human, and information resource of a company to achieve its target. Without good management, all production factors will not produce maximum profits because all production factors require regulation through a good managerial process. And the last is information technology factors. In the current era of production progress, technology has a very big role in the production sector, which is why many producers cannot survive because they are unable to compete with other competitors who are able to produce goods or services that are better than what they are produced. This is because it is supported by good technology equipment.